Hi Joe, how are you?
Very well, thank you, Manuela. Good to be here.
Yes, awesome. How are you finding the workshop so far?
Really good, very informative. A lot of information covered, and certainly helps with planning and getting the strategy out. I think it's very important to use the resources out there, and this is certainly one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I ask what visa do you hold at the moment?
Just a working holiday visa.
Working holiday, yeah.
Yeah, only arrived in Australia 3 months ago.
Yeah.
So very early, but I want to plan early, get the steps in place so that we have the best chance to make this long term.
Yeah. And where are you from, Joe?
From the UK, England specifically.
What brought you here tonight to the workshop?
Yeah, good question. I think the opportunity to just meet somebody like you who knows what they're doing, and obviously I know your time is valuable, so having the opportunity to ask questions and not pay for it really, it's a good opportunity to just find out more information. Like I say, at this point it's just testing and seeing what's the best path for me, but this certainly just helps with the early stages.
And last question, what's been your biggest takeaway so far from the workshop?
Biggest thing, I think, just the number of options available, how those options can be tailored to any specific circumstance or person. So I think it's good to see what's available. It's good. It's positive.
Excellent. And so, what's the next step from here?
Next up from here, book a consultation with Manuela. So obviously that'll be personalised. Sit down, go through qualifications, things that I have, and just map out the next steps, and build a strategy for the long term.
Amazing. Yeah.